Hello guys, it's Esosa here. Today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious plantain chips right here. So we are going to be doing two methods, deep fried method and oven baked method. For this recipe I'm going to be using 4 unripe plantains. First, I started by rinsing my plantain. I did that off camera. I will start by cutting open the plantain. Plantains are a kind of bananas that is very popular among Africans, Asians, Mexicans. They can be boiled, baked in the oven, roasted on a grill, or fried in oil. Plantain chips are very good snack. Not only can they be filling, they are healthier than most chips because plantain have a lower fat content. Plantains are very high in vitamin A, which are needed for good eye health. It's also high in fiber. They are also good source of potassium. Next, I will use my food processor to slice into coin-sized shapes. In a bowl, I will transfer the plantain. Next, I will add half tablespoon of salt, add half tablespoon of paprika powder, mix until well combined. Like I mentioned earlier, we are going to be doing two methods. First method is oven baked. I will divide the plantain into 2 portions. Transfer 1 portion into an oven tray. Just so you know, I added 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil to the plantain before baking. For some reason, guys, my camera didn't record that part. Second method is the deep fried method. I'll pour some vegetable oil in a pan. Fry for 15 minutes until golden brown. Guys, my plantain chips is ready. Absolutely delicious. This is the oil fried one. And this right here is the oven baked one. They both taste amazing and super crunchy as well. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share my videos. Thank you for doing that. Bye.